Hey YouTube, Mick here. Alright, today I received the Leatherman Sidekick. I bought it from eBay from Smart Gift Idea in America. Came in a Leatherman package. Sorry I didn't do the unboxing, but anyway, that's the box there. Now, I was worried I wasn't going to get it, to be honest. It took a little bit to get it, well, 2 weeks to be precise, which I guess isn't too bad to get it from America. They sent it via USPS, whoever that is, but I finally got it. So, true to the word, it came with a suede or leather little pouch. It came with a little carabiner with some sort of tool there and a bottle opener there and a pretty decent strong clip there. And yeah, here's the Leatherman Sidekick. So yeah, exactly the same as the Leatherman Wingman, except this side has scissors and this side has a saw. That's the only difference, to be honest. I think that's the only difference. Let me just check. I've got the Phillips and flathead, and you have the Phillips and flathead. On the other side you have, actually there's a difference, you have a box cutter or package opener there, a file and a can opener. On the Sidekick you actually have a serrated edge instead of the box cutter. You have a file, you have a can opener, but you also have a lanyard hole there. So that's the difference there. You still have your pliers, spring actioned, and to be honest, the pliers on this compared to this, these are pretty loose. You can wiggle that and it's pretty loose. Obviously this being brand new, it's pretty tight. So let's see how long that stays that way. So yeah, finally got the Leatherman Sidekick. I was a bit worried, to be honest, that I wouldn't get this because of the new Australian laws, being that you can't import a one-handed opening knife. And I got it in, it came through, no worries. I can open a blade one-handed. So there you go. Difference, you got a straight edge knife here on the Sidekick, and on the Wingman you have a half straight edge and half serrated. Sidekick, full straight edge. Wingman, half serrated, half straight. I prefer full straight. So that's cool. Finally got it, eh? And I'm loving it. Nice and comfy in the hand. It came sharp, but I just touched it up with my leather strop, but just also touched up with some 1200 grit sandpaper and just basically just gave it a slight, very light sharpen on the 1200 grit, and just gave it a very light strop on the leather. And so for paper test. It's okay. So there you go. So this comes sharp. As I said, I gave it a light touch up, but it's alright. So there you go. The Leatherman Sidekick has come in. Customs did not stop it, so thank God. I'm glad they've realised this is a multi-tool instead of a one-handed opening knife. Unless it slipped through, I don't know, but who cares? I've got it in, so you know what? Customs, I got it sucked in. Now, I'm pretty sure we're allowed to bring these in anyway, so anyway. But if we're not, again, customs. So I'm happy with that. That's cool. I probably won't use that. I will not use this as in being a carry option. Yeah, I'm not going to carry this like that on my belt loop. Yeah, I'm just not going to carry it that way. Even though it's a good idea, I'm just not going to carry it that way. So this little carabiner is going to go directly on my hunting day pack, say day hike pack. So this is going to go like that, and I've got an extra little carabiner there to carry whatever, and obviously a bottle opener, so they can stay there. That's fine. This lanyard ring is not going to stay like that. I fold him down and just carry this simply in my pocket with the belt clip there, or pocket clip, because I'm literally going to shove it in here like that and just put it in my pocket there. Comparison between the Wave and the Sidekick weight wise, yeah, you can tell the difference. Not much difference, but you can tell the difference. So I'll be rocking with this for the next few weeks just to see how it goes, and this can basically just stay in my cupboard a bit until whatever. The Wingman, that's staying in my cupboard. This is my boy's basically at the moment. I've given it to my boy anyway. He is 6, but you know, it's going to stay in the cupboard until he's old enough to appreciate it. So that's staying in my cupboard until my boy is old enough. This is going to stay in one of my main packs, just as a hardcore, you know, utility multi-tool. I love the Wave, love it, love it, love it. But it can stay in one of my packs at the moment while I rock and roll with this. I just love the Sidekick because of the straight edge blade, and I love it because of the saw. Let's test it on the fire still, eh? I'll bring the PSK out, sorry. Get the fire steel out. There. Let's see how this strikes. Wow. Right. So that saw there strikes really well, so that's great. That's good to know. And it's nice 9-degree, nice sharp angle there. So that's good. That's good to know. It strikes the fire steel very, very well, so that's good. Put this back in my PSK pouch. Right, so there you go. It's got a nice saw blade, got a nice straight edge blade, one-handed opening. So again, customs. nice sturdy pliers there. Seems to close pretty evenly, which is good. There's no wobble, which is good. So yeah, fellas, I'm rock and rolling with the Sidekick at the moment. I'll give that a few months and see how I go. This will be on my person every single day. So I'm glad I received it. So now I'm adding to my Leatherman collection. I've got the Sidekick. I've got the Wingman. Yeah, I've got the Leatherman Wave, of course. So, beauty. Adding to my little arsenal of Leatherman tools there. Very soon I will get the Sidekick and a few other Leatherman tools. But, loving the Sidekick. So, cheers fellas.